I'm back with another video on how to make vegan slash regular food. So let's get right into it. That is the meatballs. I'm cooking with vegetables, meatballs, and pasta. Right now I'm boiling the pasta with butter, making sure that it's soft and ready to eat. I'm stirring the pot. I'm sorry, guys. I'm talking. This is new to me. Like I said, I'll be in my own little world. So as soon as I become a pro at this, I will be able to find the correct words to say. I will be more professional, but those are my vegetables. I put a little butter in those while they cook and get soft also. I'm just stirring it around, making sure all the juices and everything are intact. I haven't put any seasoning or anything on it, just a little water. Those are the meatballs. I put butter in it. I like it a little well done, so you will see a little burnt on it, but it has to be a little well done for me, for whoever is eating it with me, because I don't eat meat anymore. That is butter. Okay, you got the little butter. Believe it or not, it's butter. I love butter. Cooking with butter, everything. I don't even cook with oil. I cook with butter because it just gives it so much flavor, so much better taste. It's like you don't even have to add salt because you just need butter. Butter, baby. Butter makes you better. I have to get another jug of butter because I've used almost all of that, as you can see. I'm putting butter in my vegetables also. Excuse the stove. I know it's a little messy. I was cooking breakfast earlier and then, But after this, everything will be all tidy. Okay, I'm stirring everything up. The butter and the vegetables. Now let's move over to the pasta, baby. Pasta. That looks so good. Yes, butter is in there also. It's juicy. I'm about to test and see if the pasta break, that means it's ready. So I'm putting a spoon against it. If it like break in half or whatever, that means that is ready to eat. Okay. So I think that's about ready right now. So I'll be back. I'm about to drain it because I'm not a pro yet. I can't use the camera and and pour the water out the pot. So you will see a slight pause in the video while I do that. But I'm back rolling the meat around, making sure it's all buttery. I think those are about finished now too. I don't want to cook them too long, then they will get really toasted. So right now I think they're pretty well done. So I'm making sure I get all the juice. Okay, so I drank the water. Now I put the pasta with the vegetables. I put it in the same pot. Adding some more butter right now to the vegetables and the pasta. I can't wait till I can record without holding the camera. It'll be so much easier. I'm going to find out how, though. Stay patient with me, guys. Don't judge me. So I'm mixing that up. That right there is just the vegan meal, period. Like, just the pasta and the noodles. Like, I'm going to put some Italian season on it. Oh my gosh, the Italian seasoning with the butter. Oh my gosh, that's just like sauce to me. Like, that is so like saucy. Like, I can't explain, like, but it's just so good like this. But I think I'm going to add like one more seasoning to make sure it have that to it. You know what I mean? So I think I'm bringing out the onion powder. Okay? I don't need no salt. I don't need the pepper. I just need a little this and a little that. And that's good enough, sweetie. So we're about to stir that up together. This is so pretty. I just want to take a picture of it. But oh my gosh, it's going to be so good. So that right there is the vegan meal. Okay. So that is the regular meal with the meatballs. And that is the vegan meal. Regular meal, vegan meal. So I hope you guys liked my video, my first cooking video about the regular meal and the vegan meal. I will be coming with more videos. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Bye. I love you.